Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to move an object from model space to a layout in AutoCAD without using viewports. So let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD project and identify the objects in model space that you want to move. Over here, select the objects by clicking individually or drag to select multiple objects at once. After that, press Ctrl-C to copy the selected objects to the clipboard. Over here, keep in mind that copying does not remove the objects from model space, it only duplicates them. Then, go to the Layout tab at the bottom of the AutoCAD interface. After that, open the Layout space where you want to place the objects. Over here, press Ctrl-V to paste the copied objects into the layout. Then, check the Layout space and confirm that the objects have been placed correctly with their original proportions. After that, adjust the position if needed for proper alignment and presentation. Over here, verify that everything looks correct and ready for printing or final output. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.